We're going to look at some damages here. Here's one that's been ripped down. This meter mast went up the side of the building, got hit by a tree, pulled it over. You see part of the meter base and the meter actually laying in the on the ground there. The mast was down. The electrical company had already been there and secured it. They actually cut the wires and are waiting for the repair so they can put it back together. Again, stay away from all downed electric. I think that's a common sense, but worth noting. Anything with electrical safety is first. Here's some other damages. Here's a meter base, and the meter base is actually that box on the right. All right, the faceplate is there laying in the bushes as well, and it got pulled off the house. And that box to the left of it, the big one, that's actually the main breaker panel. And yes, sometimes in some places they do put the main breaker panels on the outside of the house, which is going to make it very susceptible to weather damages as well. So what don't we see on this? We don't see any meter mast or trunk line going up the side of the house from these because they didn't come in overhead. These wires on this one came in underground. So now what's going on in this photo? How is this storm related? Well, that was done many, many, many years ago. That's an older house, right? At some point, there's a big tree in the yard, got bigger and bigger over the years. In a storm, it blew over, this is an actual claim, and the roots pulled the underground wires and pulled these right off the house. All right, so that just goes to show you, just when you think you've seen it all, you're gonna see something else. You're gonna walk up and be like, what happened there? Of course, if we had a picture of the tree down, that would make a lot more sense. Notice how low those are. I guarantee you those are gonna have to be raised when those get put back up on that house as part of the repair process.